Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell, that way you never miss out on another video. I upload readings every single Friday, and then I throw a few here and there in between as well. So make sure that you click the bell, that way you never miss out. Okay, announcement right before we start. I just made a new batch of my cleansing sprays, and a lot of you have been asking me for it. That's why I made a whole new batch. I'm selling these on my shop. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below. If you guys want to make this yourself, it's a cleansing spray. It cleanses out negative energy. There's sage in here, which cleanses out negativity, and roses lift the vibration. You guys can make it at home. I'll leave the video link down below. But if you guys want to purchase mine, the reason I sell mine is because I charge it at home myself with a very, very powerful mantra over 1,000 times. I'll leave a little clip right here. Basically, that is charged over 1,000 times like that, and there's also crystals involved, very beautiful energetic crystals like citrine, rose quartz, amethyst, and labradorite. And then also I have a very special ingredient in here that takes 100 years to make, and it's very powerful to clear out negative energy and draw in and pull towards you the things that you want. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave my shop down below. Anyways, today's reading is going to be all about what is coming in December for you. Okay, so you're gonna pick either card number 1, the seashell, card number 2, the crow's feather, or card number 3, the citrine crystal. So whichever one jumps out at you, whichever one you're drawn to that pops out at you, pick that one, and let's get into the reading. So if you guys picked card number 1 or the seashell, let's see what's gonna happen, what's coming for you in the month of December. Okay, so endurance, the devil, that's interesting. Okay, the devil, surrender, worry. Make a commitment not to lead an anxiety-driven life. When worries arise, breathe them out of your body. Focus on the power of your heart and have faith that spirit is guiding you always. And embracing enthusiasm. Shout to the heavens with happiness. Okay, in December, this is what's going to happen for you. A lot of your tension and worry and anxiety is going to be fading away. A lot of your worry is going to be going away. And you have this like incredible gift that you're going to really come into in December. You're really going to get to know this gift. You're really going to get to experience this gift, this talent, this really special thing about you in December, which is your undying, like, how do I say this? It's like you don't give up hope. No matter what, you'll give up the fight, but you won't give up the hope. And this, you're really going to learn this about yourself in December, because a lot of your worry and anxiety and stress is all going to dissipate and kind of disappear and fade away in December. And because of this, you're going to get to know yourself on a deeper level. Now, the reason the devil card came up, this is my favorite card of the deck. I love when I get this card because it's showing me my own power. My own power, and it's showing me my own strengths apart from society. It's showing me who I am with, like, apart from what society has taught me, what my parents have taught me, what my religion or TV or, like, you know, anything and everything else. All the things that have been put inside of your head and your heart, and these beliefs that have been put inside of you, these are all going to kind of unravel in December. And you're going to come more into yourself and learn more about who you are apart from what you've been taught. And a lot of this is going to drive away your worries and stress. Now, embracing enthusiasm, shout to the heavens with happiness. So there's butterflies on this card, which symbolizes rebirth, renewal, like a joy of life, a beauty of life, creativity. Just a lot of joy in December is coming your way. And so what the universe wants from you is to give into this joy. Make sure that you start doing things that make you happy, that make you feel good. Because when you feel good, you're lifting your vibration. And when you lift your vibration, anything that you want can happen quick, because you're vibrating at a high frequency. And when you do that, the universe gives you things faster. So that is your reading. I hope that that helped and got you excited for December. And if you guys want to go more in depth with me, you guys can definitely pick, or you can purchase a reading from me on my shop, which I will leave linked down below. But anyways, if you guys picked card number 2, or the crow's feather, let's go ahead and see what is coming for you in the month of December. Okay, oh wow, I love this card. Wave of Power. Surrender to effortlessness. Stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force the river. Okay? And then you have the fellow travelers. Support is all around you. Then you have the Chariot. Okay. This is a very good spread. If you guys picked card number 2 or the crow's feather, December is freaking amazing. Okay, so the first thing is for you to slow down. In December, you're going to slow down. You're going to kind of learn to go with the flow more. You're going to stop resisting things. You're going to just kind of relax and calm down and really take a breather. You're going to like have a sigh of relief in December. And what this is going to do is going to shift your energy to where you're going to feel a little bit more in control. Lately, you've been trying to just control everything. You want to make sure that the house is taken care of, the kids, the family, the parents, you know, the coworkers, employees, everybody and everything. You want everything to just be taken care of and be okay and be done properly. And in the month of December, this is kind of going to fade away, and you're going to start to just go with the flow and just like, you know, stop trying to control everything. And what this is going to do is, as soon as you release that urge to control everything, things will automatically just happen your way. And you're going to see that a lot in December, like the wave of power. So the things that you want are just automatically going to come to you because you're just surrendering, because you're just like, okay, universe, I'm leaving it up to you. I trust you. And I'm just going to live my life, and I'm just going to relax. Fellow travelers, support is all around you. In December, there's going to be a lot of people in your life that you're going to build more connections with, and a lot of people in your life, and you're going to realize that these people they genuinely care about you. And lately you've been feeling like you don't have a lot of like friends or people in your life that you could really trust. And in December, you're going to really come into people that you build a connection with, that you can trust, and you're going to have a lot of fun with them. Now, you got a peacock in 1, 2. Okay, this is insane. You got the white peacock and the green peacock here, and you got the white peacock and the green peacock here. So in December, there's going to be a lot of luck. A lot of luck coming to you. And love. December is, if you're in a relationship, the love is going to be enhanced like crazy. It's going to be like lust and passion, and like the honeymoon phase is going to come back. And if you are single, then you're going to meet somebody that you're going to be very, very passionate about. There's going to be a lot of love, an abundance of love in your life in December. Not just an abundance of love, but it's going to be abundance of like prosperity and money, just abundance of things. Like you might be getting a lot of Christmas gifts. So December is a very, very beautiful month for you. The things that are coming into your life in December is just like insanely beautiful. Like look at the synchronicity right there. If you want, oh, okay, I do have a video which I will leave linked down below about the benefits and the spiritual like luck of keeping peacock feathers with you. You might want to look into like getting some peacock feathers and keeping it with you, and check out my video on the reasons why. It's insane how much luck peacock feathers can bring you, and also how crazy that you picked the feather. So there's a lot of synchronicity in December. There's a lot of luck, a lot of love. What you need to do to push this energy and to make this love and abundance come to you even faster is to relax and calm down and make sure that you are just relaxed in the month of December. So I hope that this got you ready for December. I loved this. Like this spread was amazing. Like whoever picked this, I'm so excited for you. Okay, so if you want to go more in depth with me, more detailed reading, then you guys can pick, or you guys can purchase that on my website, and I'll leave that link down below. Anyways, If you guys pick card number 3 or the citrine crystal, let's go ahead and see what's coming in December for you. Okay, sanctuary. Surrender to your full power. Your life is calling for you to step into your full power rather than playing it small. Interesting. Wondrous universe, walk in beauty. And the other card that you got, I'm going to put it somewhere where you can see it, is the 7 of Cups. Okay. In the month of December, there's going to be a lot of relaxation coming for you. So it's a lot of you spending time pampering yourself, like either getting massages or going to get a manicure or pedicure, taking yourself shopping. Somebody might take you shopping. It's a lot of just pampering energy that's going to come to you in December, and a lot of like manifestations, a lot of things that you've been thinking about and dreaming about and like trying to manifest. These are going to come to you in December. You're going to start to see a lot of synchronicity and manifestations coming to you in December. And something else that's going to be happening in December is you're going to, there's a lot of magical energy, which means like you might be going on a trip or a vacation somewhere, and it's going to be very memorable, and it's going to be very fun and magical and beautiful. Like this trip is going to be exactly what you need. It's going to be like a getaway, something to pamper you, something to relieve your stress and make you relax. And all of those things, when these things happen, you're going to come into knowing your own power in December. So your life is going to shift in a way where you're going to start to see the power of your thoughts. You're going to start to attract things even faster. And this is the reason is because in December you're going to be relaxing a lot and like going away somewhere. Your energy is going to calm down and your energy is going to relax. Your energy might have been frazzled for the past few months or weeks. And so in December, when you relax and calm your energies, you're really going to start to see a lot of synchronicity and a lot of things you're going to attract into your life that you've been trying to attract. And you're going to really see how powerful you truly are in December. That's really exciting. I hope that you enjoyed your reading and got excited for December. If you guys want to go more in depth with me, then go ahead and purchase a reading on my website, which I will leave linked down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you click the bell and you're subscribed. That way you don't miss another free reading on my channel. I do one every single Friday, and then I do throw one in between sometimes here and there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!